Some washers help strengthen things up. As you can see, this one's starting to go into the material. And 1.5 inch screw. These come with screws, but they're not long enough. And I find a 1.5 inch screw works really good for any particular setup. So, there we go. Close the lid here to make it a little lid up right there. Here's our new handle. Pop off our old handle. Just going to hold the screw and turn it out. You can see on the inside this one has started to cave in as well, so what we want to do is put a washer inside as well. That way it doesn't cave through, so that's why I brought 4 washers. Now sometimes you can't exactly get in here because of this deal. Sometimes you can loosen this deal up. This is just a bar that strengthens the door itself. And sometimes we can kind of slip a portion of it underneath right here. So there we go. And then we can get our longer screw in there, feed it straight through. On the opposite side, you see it sticks out a ways. We can get our second washer. Turn on our deal. That's just going to strengthen things up. Nice and strong. And then I'll hold it with the screwdriver here. Turn it in. And now it's not going to cave in on us. Our bar here we can retighten down. That should be. And there we go. Now we're nice and neat. You can center this a little bit better. Then I can move that washer so it's nice and centered. There we go. Bring things up a notch. Other side is the same exact deal. Hold the deal. Turn it out. And this way we'll just have a nicer finish on these deals, and also it's not going to pull out on somebody sometime when it sinks in too far. This way everything's nice and new, nice and neat. Same deal, we've got to loosen the bar. This one's going to be a little more stubborn. That's okay, keeps it interesting. Go. Now we can tighten our bar back down. You don't have to take it off all the way, just loosen it a little bit to be able to get it under there. And on the front side, here's our washer. And here's our brush nickel pull, chrome pull, brush nickel pull. Yeah. So it's a little nicer. And we're good to go. A little re-up. Can fix a few things up here, clean a few things up here, but we're good to go. Thanks for watching Kung Fu Maintenance. Over and out. Nice, strong deal.